Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by importing your clip and duplicating the layer. This creates a glow base that you can control separately. Once duplicated, open Effects and choose the Edge Glow preset so you have a ready starting point. Make sure the duplicate sits above the original because layer order determines blend behavior. Now reduce the duplicate's opacity to around 30% as a preview. This prevents immediate overpowering. Next, switch to Mask or Effect controls to prepare for precise adjustments. Once your mask is in place, you refine the glow by feathering and blending. This softens edges so the effect looks natural. You should set feather between 20 and 60 pixels, then choose a blend mode like Screen or Add to integrate glow with highlights. Make sure to lower or raise opacity to taste. Subtlety usually works best. If the subject moves, add keyframes to mask path and effect intensity so the glow follows motion, and scrub the timeline to confirm smooth transitions. To finish, tweak the glow color using hue or colorize and balance saturation so it reads as light, not paint. You can nudge blur and opacity for final softness. Once satisfied, render a preview, then export at your chosen resolution and codec. If you see banding or artifacts, reset the edge glow effect and reapply it or increase blur slightly. This often removes hard edges. Finally, make sure mask path keyframes are synced. If not, refine them and re-render for a clean result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.